Hi, today we're talking about how to format text in a Google Doc. So you can see I've got some text that I've already typed here, how to format text in a Google Doc. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. So I just left clicked and dragged my mouse over the text. Then you can move up to the bar up here where we have lots of options. If you want to make the text bolded, bigger, you can click this. The number setting here up and down with the plus and minus arrows increases or decreases the size of your text. You can italicize or click again to turn it off. Underline, click again to turn it off. This A with the black underline is going to change your text color. You can choose from any of the colors seen here, or you can even click custom and you have a whole range of gradients in different colors that you may want to choose. And this last button here is a highlighter. So this works best if you have contrasting text and you click with your left clicker and drag anything you want to highlight. Then you click the highlighting tool. I like yellow, just standard, and it will highlight anything you have chosen here. So these are just some of the simple ways to adjust text. One other one you might want to mess with is the font. Here we are using Arial. If you click, you can see all the standard fonts. You can also click more fonts to get even more options, but there's lots of great choices from the drop-down menu. You just have to highlight and then select your different font that you want to use. But you have lots of good choices just using the basic menu to alter your text.